Step into the 2019 Ram 2500. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget. Like heated seats, one-touch window functionality, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a rear step bumper, an outside temperature display, a bed liner, and cruise control. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.